Hey guys, it's time to do a speed test comparison between the Samsung C7 Pro versus a Samsung C5 Pro. Both phones having a 4 GB RAM and Android Nougat powered, and C5 Pro is having a Snapdragon 625 versus a Snapdragon 626. It is a tiny bit improved processors. So let's see the speed. Here we go, and you can see logo came first on both phones at the same time. It is a 5.5 inch and it is a 5.2 inch display, and you can see C7 Pro is faster, and the C5 Pro is also done, and both phones having no Wi-Fi network and everything is closed up in the background. And let's start some low applications. Here we go, phone dialer, and C7 Pro is faster. Let's open another applications, system bit, and you can see C7 Pro is again faster. Let's open calculator, and I think the tiny bit faster on the C7 Pro. Let's open some games applications, and this were expected. The C7 Pro is faster. So Subway Surfer, and you can see C7 Pro is faster. And you can see about 2 or 4 second difference. Let's open another game application. This is my favorite game I play on my phones, and you can see same result, about 2 or 4 second difference. So let's opening up the camera. Here we go, and you can see C7 Pro is again a tiny bit faster. I have launched the internet browser on both phones. Let's open the website. Wikipedia.org, and you can see the C7 Pro is trying to open the website first, and it is also faster than the C5 Pro. Let's open another website, facebook.com, and you can see C7 Pro is again faster, and you can see is again faster. No lag whatsoever on both phones. And let's see the important part of this speed test, RAM management. And you can see no refresh, calculator, Subway Surfer, Candy Crush. Last opening up the internet browser. So amazing speed on both phones, and the RAM management is about the same on both phones, but the apps opening and the games applications also load faster on the C7 Pro because it has a advanced, I think it has a advanced internal as the C5 Pro. So thank you so much for watching this speed test. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.